So, hello everyone, I am Daisy325, welcome to the 325 Vlogging and Challenges channel. Can't talk today. My link will be in the description below, if I can get it uploaded. And if I can find the link on somewhere. So today I'm with my new kitten, Vader. So I think I barely got much sleep last night because of him. I will put my thing in here, make sure to time lapse him to make sure he's like not doing anything like crazy. So like this is the first video I'm uploading in a few years on this channel. I am sorry guys. Currently Vera is hiding, so that's why I'm trying to get him out. So this is his little room. Simple enough. It's in my office space, of course. He's about 2.5 months old. I don't know what else to say. I'm saying a lot of apparently. So I got him yesterday, and today, hopefully when I leave him in here for a couple hours, he will get used to it. And then have him with me in my room tonight. Not sure how well that's gonna go. He's just scared of like a lot of new noises. He's like hiding under the chair. So that's his bed right there. I have actually put my blanket on top of it, so he knows that that's where to sleep. Hello, Vader. Hello, little guy. Hello, I know. A lot of new noises. So his name is Vader. Well, it's gonna be. His name on the adoption sheet was Archie, which I'm gonna probably I'm gonna change to Vader once I get the microchip in. There we go, Vader. So he's an orange cat. Male, of course. That's why his name's Vader. So there's gonna probably be a lot of people seeing him today. So he's gonna probably get like a lot of attention. So I'm off, and hopefully I can find the link to my channel, so you can check out my videos there.